Social bookmarking for blog advertising. Social bookmarking sites are a growing trend and are becoming more popular each and every day. They are a great place to share your bookmarks with everyone and to be able to access them from any computer. They are also a great place that you can post a link to your blog. There are over 50 social bookmarking sites that you use to submit your link to your blog. Digg, Digo, Blue Dot, and del.ico.us are just a few of them that are the most popular. Each site has its own guidelines and rules for posting links, so it's important that you want to read the rules that they have before you post any links. Because social bookmarking isn't as targeted as other forms of advertising for your blog, you may find HTA will take longer for it to be effective. But it's also a good way for you to get your blog noticed, and it may bring in people who may not have found your blog another way. Since social bookmarking doesn't always give you the opportunity to know who it is that has seen your site, or get to know other people, it's always a good idea to keep track of the visitors who say they were linked to your site through a bookmarking site. If the site allows you to put a comment, ask people to let you know on your blog that they found it through a social bookmarking site and which one. That will help you know how effective it is.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.